Let me share with you how to make a wonderfully simple milk mousse cake. If you have milk in your kitchen, this is a recipe you really should try. The final dessert is incredibly smooth and rich, with a texture that feels like a soft melting cloud. We begin by gathering our ingredients thoroughly in a pot. Crack 2 large eggs into the pot, then add 1 tablespoon of white sugar for sweetness. Next, measure out 50 grams of cornstarch and add it to the pot. The cornstarch is what will give our mousse its beautiful, firm yet soft texture. Now, pour in 500 milliliters of fresh cold milk. Using cold milk helps prevent the cornstarch from forming lumps right from the start. Using a whisk, stir everything together. Make sure you mix it thoroughly until the mixture is completely smooth, with no visible streaks of egg or pockets of drying cornstarch. Place the pot on the stove over a low heat. It is very important to coat this slowly. Stir the mixture continuously as it heats up. This patience is the key to a perfect lump-free texture. As you keep stirring, you will witness a lovely transformation. The liquid will slowly become much thicker, turning into a rich, creamy, and padding-like consistency that coats the back of your spoon. Once the mixture is thick, immediately pour it into a cake mold or a beautiful serving bowl. Gently tap the container on your countertop a few times. This settles the mousse and pushes out any large air bubbles. Now let the mousse rest at room temperature. Do not put it in the refrigerator. In a little while, it will naturally become firm and set, ready to be enjoyed. Just before serving, sprinkle the top with a generous dusting of roasted soybean powder. This adds a wonderful, nutty flavor that complements the sweet, creamy mousse perfectly. Each spoonful is a taste of pure, simple joy.